Hi Momshies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Mel Momshi Queen. It's almost end of July, so I hope everybody's doing great. So today's video, I'm going to do my monthlies and yearly savings. I have to catch up. Okay, and I'm bringing out $240 today. So let's see where we are at our progress right now. So I haven't completed this yet, so now I'll complete it. Sunday Playing with Friends by Judy of Save with Judy. This was the April to June. So the last time I saved was here $6, which was 15. So I add 1 plus 5 to make it $6. It's a low income way to save with this group play. Okay, so I already added how much total save for April. And the last two Sundays for June, she saved 15 and 14. So 15 is $6 and 14 is $5 for me. So I'll color this off cam and finish this to complete this quarter. So total should be 29 for April, 29 for May, and then the total for June should be 24. So it should be a total of $82. So what I have in here is 50, 60, 70, 80. So I just need $2 to complete this because I have left over last time. So 82, add it here. So this is complete. So I'll just color the rest of them. $82. And this was supposed to go to my birthday funds, but since I didn't finish it on time, so now it's going to my fourth son for his August birthday. Okay, $82. Yay. Let's put this aside. And then for July to September, we have here. I printed it small this time so I can fit it in here. So the first Sunday of July, she saved 13, and then 12 for the second Sunday, 16 for the third Sunday, and the last Sunday was $12. So that's a total of 53. But I cannot save that amount right now. So this time I'm not doing the low income way. I'm gonna save the exact amount she saved. So I'll do the first one first. So the 13 and the 12, which is $25, 13 and 12. So I'll color this off cam. I'll just color a bit of the gnome. That way I know that I save for these two gnomes. So the other one should be this one. Oops. Okay, so I'll color off cam and add $25. So since I have no change, I am going to use the prop bills right here to exchange if needed. So I need $25, and I don't have that. So let's do 25. Okay, let's do this 20, and then this $2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 will exchange to prop bill. I'll put it at the back. So I'll get $6 from here. And then I'll have an extra $1 for next time to roll over, and that's okay. All right, and then next challenge we have here is from Bobby of Canadian Finance Journey. And this is each section is $5. So today I am saving $35. Or let's just make it 30 since we don't have smaller prop bills. 30. So this 100 I'm going to exchange to prop bills. 50 and 50. Okay, let's see. So I need to put 50 in here and grab a 20 change. Is that right? Yes. This is a prop bill. Total now is $120. So I'll color in $30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, I'll just mark it off first and do it off cam. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Okay. Next one is from Budgeting with Lysandra. I have $2 I owe you. Let's put that $2 I owe you. So we are working on April. Oh. And I'm completing April, by the way. So I think, let's see how much. So we need $1 and $2. And how much we're doing the circles. I think I'm doing $1. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we need $14 to complete this. Let's just color in first. Fast forward. Okay, that's $14. So let's see how much total save for this. 612 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $1 per letter, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Total should be $41. So hold on. $41. So $14 should be going in, but hold on. So far from January to April, I'm gonna add 20. So 50, 142 so far from January to April. So we'll start off with May with $6. Since we add the $14 to April. Okay. So we are saving $6 for this. Each letter is $1. So May is $3. So $3 more. Let's do this one. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'll color this off cam to save time. So once it hits June, when I catch up to June, I have to decide where it's going. The next challenge is by Rocks Budgets. And we are working on July. She has this freebie from January to December. I already reallocated the January to June to Macau, to our trip to Macau. This one is July to December, is for the Chinese New Year next year. Okay, we're saving $30. Let's see. I don't have enough. So what I'll do is save. Let's exchange. No more change. I think let's do $12. First $12 for this. Okay, let's do 6. Oops, cannot see. 6 and 5 is 11, and then 1 is 12. Let's see if we can go back. Okay, Happy Holidays Box Challenge is by Kathy of Cruise Budgets. And we are still working on Easter, which is April. And we are using D4 for this. Okay, let's see, there's 4 more slots. And I will save $50 for this challenge. So 4, so 50 minus 4, another 4, minus 4, 1, minus 1, last wall, and 2, minus 2, $39 left. Okay, so $39 left. Let's see how much total we save. 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4. Wait, sorry. 4, 7, 8, 10 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7. So total of $34. Okay, we have $39 left. April is done. So I'm not gonna count this at the moment. I'll count this next time. And we are going to work with May. May, I'll be using D8. We have 39. Let's put our money here. D8, we have D8 right here. Okay. So 5 minus 5. 7 minus 7. It's $27 left. Minus 5. 1 minus 1. 2 minus 2. 1 again. Minus 1. $18 left. 4 minus 4, 14, 3 minus 3, $11, 1 minus 1. Okay, can we finish this? 7, uh-oh, minus 7, $3 left, 5, oh no, okay, 5, then we are owing $2, minus 5, yep, we owe $2 here for next time. So at least we're in May, we're gonna catch up. Okay, next one is with, by Judy. I'll say with Judy. I think I'm on time for this. Yes, I'm ahead. I think I will add. Oh no, no more change for this. Let's see. 90. Let's see. Let's keep this for now. Let's go to Anna and Lacey. 2026 Anna Banana budgets and Blue Kiwi budgets. Okay, right here. We are still on April. Working on April. Right here. Let's see where we're going. Okay, 1. There's this here. Jokes on you at $2. Where is this? Oh, this is a bonus. So that's additional. This one is right here. And this bunny is right here. This one is right here. And then this hat is right here. We're not getting any bingo today, I guess. This one is right here. And last one is going to be here. Yep. So no bingo. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18 that we will add to complete April. Yay! 18. Oh no. We only have 100. So let's put all the 100 here. 18. So that's 100 minus 18. Next time I'll bring more change. We still have $82. So I need to add 18, but these are all hundreds. Put the 100 here. Okay, I'll calculate how much April saves us off cam. Okay, let's work with Mother's Day, which is May. We still have $82. Okay, I think, yeah, we're gonna roll here. And let's use D6. 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this? Is there any amount need to add for this amount? I'm not sure. I think I'll just save $1 for this. Minus 1. That's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's $5. Minus 5. 2. 1, 2. Minus $1. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So roll the dice plus $3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4. So minus 7. 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So times 2 of what I will roll. Wow, 12 minus 12. 12. 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 plus 2 of what I will roll. 5 plus 2 is 7 minus 7. Okay, $49 left. 1. This one again. So no amount, so minus 1. 2. 1, 2 is $5. Minus 5. 2. 1 and 2 is $2. 41. 3. 1, 2, and 3. Another item with no amount, so $1. $40 left. 3, 1, 2, and 3. $1. Minus 1. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. $2. Minus 2. $37 left. 2. 1 and 2 is $1. Minus 1. 5. 1, 2. I think there's 2 left. 3, 4, 5. Minus 3. And the last one is minus 4. Minus 4. $29 left. Okay. So we finished this one with our $100. Okay. Let's move on to Junden. And this is Shut the Toolbox. This, by the way, this is freebie from Anna Banana Budgets and Blue Kiwi Budgets from both of their individual Ko-fi account, Ko-fi shop. So we still have $29 to play with. Let's go on with June. 4 and 1 is 5. 4 and 3 is 7. 5 and 3 is 8. 3 and 2 is 5. Let's do 4 and 1. 5 and 1 is 6. We have 6 here. 4 and 1 is 5. 3 and 2. Okay, now we only have 9 left. 5 and 1, and we are out. So we are saving $9. So minus 9, $20 left. Let's do the next row. 3 and 2 is 5. Oops. 5 and 4 is 9. 6 and 2 is 8. 6 and 6 is 12. Ooh. 7 and, no. Oh no. 7 is 4 and 4 is the highest. And that's only 11. Oh no. So I think we're out. So we are saving 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. So 13 plus 4 is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Minus 23. So we owe We owe $3. Okay, not bad. At least just a small IOU. And let me grab an IOU right here. This is from Keeping It Crispy. We have a $3 IOU. This color can't be seen. Okay. So there we go. And then total amount for this challenge so far is 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, from January to June. We have an IOU. So this one will be in our prop bill bank. I don't have an extra envelope yet, so we'll just put it at the front for now. Okay. So this one, last one is save 1,200 in 2026. And this is by Amy by Nature. She has the $800 version, and I think she has the $200 version as well. This is freebie from her coffee shop. So I have here, this was from my water balloon fight collab. Oh no, this was from the Rolling Into Fall box challenge by Kathy of Cruise Budgets that I completed. So I'm putting it in here, and this amount is $434 that we are putting it in here. I allocated that completed challenge here. So we are saving $434 and color in this. So let's see, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 times 4. 15 times 5. Okay, so each month is 75. 75 times 4. Okay, 75 times 5. Okay. We can, I will color this off cam. This 4. 75 times 4 is 300 already. Okay, let me choose a color. Okay, so another 75, no. 75. So we have 434 minus 300. So we still have 134. So minus another 75. So we can color this in. I'll color it nicely off cam. So we have $59 left for the remaining. So 15 is 30. What else can we use? Minus 30. Wait. 434 minus 300 minus 75, $59 left. So this 2 row is $30 because 1 row is 15 minus 30. Okay, we have 29 left. 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. This one is another 15 minus 15, $14 left. 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, no. 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay. Exactly $434 that we color in. Whew. All right. I think this This one will go to our vacation for next year addition, since we need a big amount of money when this is completed. All right, so our monthlies and yearly savings is done. Now let's move on. I'll put this in my completed challenge bag and update my reallocation sheet. So now I want to show you some challenges that I created that will be out in my coffee shop right after this video. The first one that I made was this one. It's a Toy Story dice saving challenge. I already laminated it. So this will be available for a small fee, uh, very affordable fee. So sorry for that sound. My kids are making noise again at this hour. And so there's no cards for this. This is not really a box challenge, but this is a dice challenge because this is the cover, the front, and this is the catch all, and this is like shut the box, but claw your aliens. And they're just 1 to 6, so you can just use a D6 for this. You can either use the exact same amount, like $6, or you can do 6 quarters or 6.50 depending on your budget. Catch all can be $1 each, 50 cents each. Just use your own way of saving with the amount that you get. So the first one is roll a D3, Woody, and he's so cute. And then this one is roll a D4, and Buzz is roll a D6. Roll D8 for Jesse, and roll D10 for Rex, if I'm not mistaken. And then Slinky, roll a D12. Right here is a roll a D20 for each coin. And this one, 40, color and save. So you choose the amount that you'd like to save for each trash because he loves trash. And then Mr. Potato is a Plinko style. So this is only a total of $10. And that's it. This would be a fun savings for those who likes Toy Story. If you cut them out after lamination, they will look like this. Yep, this was my first print that I will be using. And I'll just put this in my lineup first, since I have a lot of challenges that I'm working with right now. Okay, are they so adorable and cute? This would be enjoying as well. I'm not sure the amount, the total amount, but I'm pretty sure this will be a very good amount in the end, since it's a mystery using different dice. Okay, and then next one is Disney Princess. Those who love Disney Princess, you must get this. All right, so this is a save 50 plus. And why? Because there are about 2 or 3 of these scratchers that has a dice challenge. D3, 4, and 6, I think, if I remember. And the amount denomination for this are 1 to 10. So this is very exciting. You can save this for birthday party or going to Disneyland, or with your for your sinking funds, or any other saving categories that you'd like to save this with. And I promise you that you'll have fun with this and you'll enjoy being motivated with this. See? You'll see the amounts when I post it in the coffee shop. So this one is my version. I laminated it with cold laminating sticker with the shining shimmering, as you can see, shiny. So I just wanted to add that. So this is my version. You can when you laminated it, of course, it's not gonna be shiny unless you put the cold laminating that has the shiny design. Okay, and the second one is the third one. Sorry, this one another Disney princess theme. These are all the 13 princess. I have the version one that I made last 2 years or last year that you can check in my coffee shop. It came with a card as well. This one will come with a card as well. This is the dashboard. This Disney princesses and Disney royal pets. And why? Because they are here. So let me introduce you the little cards. These are the Disney princesses pets and companions. Okay, this one is Tuk Tuk. You can see the name there. And Tuk Tuk is Raya's pet companion. Raya is this one right here. And then Miko, as we all know, is Pocahontas, pet and companion right here. And then Teacup. Teacup is Belle's puppy. Belle is right here. So this is also new to me because I didn't really notice the royal pets. But as I search, this is Belle's royal pet. And its name is Teacup. And then this one is Pascal, as we all know as well. It's Rapunzel's pet. And this one, Pumpkin. Pumpkin is Cinderella's puppy. She's a fluffy white puppy. Cinderella. And then this one is Treasure. Treasure is Ariel's kitten, a red fur kitten. This one is Bayou. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correct. Bayou. This is Tiana's pony, a yellow pony with a purple mane and tail. Tiana is right here. And then Raja, we know Raja from Aladdin. It's Jasmine's tiger. And then Pua is Moana's pet that we can see throughout the movie. And then little brother is Mulan's pet. Okay. And then Berry is Snow White's sweet pet bunny. Snow White is right here. And then Angus is Merida's horse. Merida's pet companion. And then lastly is Beauty. Beauty is Aurora's pale pink kitten. Right there. So everybody has their own pet and companion. And denominations for this are even numbers and dice challenge as well. So you will see it in my coffee shop. I'll have it posted right after this video. So I hope you are all interested with these challenges and help me support my channel and my shop. This is for now is my only little side hustle since I couldn't work any part-time and I cannot do any side hustles outdoor. I'm currently on my 34th pregnancy, and everything anything that's purchased this month from my coffee shop will be added as a birthday gift to me since July is my birthday month. All right, so thank you. If you are interested, do not hesitate to visit my coffee shop when you watch this video. I hope you like it. It's really going to be fun. And lastly, I have these three minis, a set of A6 minis that I created. And this is a watermelon theme. Since it's still summer, who wouldn't like a watermelon for treat, for refreshing, right? So here is the color and save. You assign the amount of each watermelon. And then this one is save 40. There's 2, 1, 4, 3 in each row. Very affordable price for saving with minis. And then the last one is roll and save. It's up to you how much you want to which dice you want to use to roll and save. Okay, so that's it for my coffee drop today for saving challenges. So I hope you enjoyed the video and take a look at my coffee shop if there's anything that interests you. I also have freebies there that you can grab anytime. So thank you for watching. I hope you're all having a great day. See you next time. Bye.